Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play WoW with your keyboard. First, let's dive into the fundamental setup. World of Warcraft offers extensive customization for keybinds, allowing you to tailor your controls for optimal performance. We'll cover the essential steps to configure your keyboard for efficient gameplay, ensuring you can react quickly in any situation. Get ready to transform your gaming experience. Next, let's focus on combat. Assigning your most used spells to easily reachable keys is crucial for quick reactions. Consider using modifier keys such as Shift, Control, and Alt to expand your available keybinds significantly. This allows for a vast array of abilities to be at your fingertips, making your combat rotations smooth and effective. Practice these new binds to build muscle memory. Beyond combat, efficient movement and utility keybinds are vital. Set up your movement keys for seamless navigation, allowing you to strafe and turn without clicking. Don't forget to bind essential utility spells, such as mounts, health potions, and defensive cooldowns, for instant access. A well-configured setup ensures you can react to environmental challenges and support your team effectively. Finally, let's explore some advanced tips to refine your keyboard play. Consider creating macros to streamline complex ability sequences, saving you valuable reaction time. Utilizing action bar add-ons can further enhance your layout and visibility. Consistent practice in different game environments, from questing to dungeons, will solidify your muscle memory and elevate your gameplay to a new level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.